guys, it's XAndrew2007 actually showing you another guide mode glitch / barrier glitch on the map transit, the mode transit. This was found by Glitching Fish. The link will be in the description to the channel, so please check them out. For this glitch, all you'll need to do is have a shield and a turbine, and then place the turbine near the mystery box, and then all you want to do is just switch out your turbine with the shield, and what should happen is you should be in the shield, and what that will do is create a zombie barrier glitch, and zombies will pile up behind the desk. And it's a very, very easy glitch, and it works practically in every corner. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and this commentary. This glitch is very useful, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and this commentary. It'd be very much appreciated if this video got to 75 likes. Alright, see ya, and enjoy the video.